As you can see on my screen, 1.4 million video views with TikTok ads. So I'm running TikTok ads and also I'm promoting ClickBank products, okay? So 1 week I'm running ads and the next week I'm using free strategy, basically organic traffic that I built up the previous week. You can see the engagement in 2025 with affiliate marketing using TikTok is very important, right? As you can see, look, shares, 3,200 shares. Very important, like free referrals. Okay, so you can promote different ClickBank products, weight loss, Nutra, dating and relationships, or even self-help and manifestation space is doing really well now. So imagine the traffic that you can get once you have the right strategy and once you have someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step-by-step to get these kind of results. As you can see over here, right? Engagement is really important because people leaving positive reviews and asking questions, you can take 20 to 30 minutes per day without running ads basically and leave comments under the video with your quiz funnel. Okay, you can put your quiz funnels and promote your affiliate offers on ClickBank. So if you want to know exactly how to do this, you can reach out to me later. Okay, so you can reach out to me on my, as you can see over here on my Instagram, but I'm sharing exactly how this is possible. Okay, so I'm traveling all around the world. As you can see now, it's over 65 countries already. So if you want to have one-on-one support, let me know. I'm traveling all around the world, promoting other people's product on ClickBank and other affiliate networks as well. So you can subscribe to YouTube channel for more helpful tips.